Welcome to UNIKAT Fine Jewelry. My name is Andrea Gottschalk. I'm the owner and jeweler of UNIKAT Fine Jewelry. I've been in business since 1998 in Las Vegas, New Mexico. Jewelry has been my passion since I was 16 years old, and I made it a profession when I was 21. And here are my pieces that I currently feature in this showcase. And I feature about 9 area artists locally. And I also have many different items on my wall, such as Navajo rugs, Indonesian masks, paintings by May Shaw, and I have Native American jewelry. And I'm a German-trained jeweler, and I do professional repair, custom design, and ear piercing, and I work on your watches, and just about anything that a jeweler can do. My store really can only exist by local, loyal clientele, and it is so important to spend your money where you live because the gross receipts stay in town. It feeds our children. They can go to higher education institutions. We pay our employees out of the gross receipts. All the infrastructure in Las Vegas is being paid for. So to have money from local clientele and keeping it in town is of utmost importance for the health and wealth of a community.
Tell everybody you